Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this fun bracelet. I call it butterfly pet because it looks like butterflies to me. And if you can see, it's like a roll of candy beads. So I have a lot of fun making it. I think it's really pretty. I like it a lot. I see a lot of potential to make a necklace and a pair of earrings. I'm going to have the kits available on my website. I'm going to have a different color. I just haven't come up with the combination, but these two combinations I really like. I hope you guys like this tutorial. The list of materials, I'm going to put it in the description box. I'm going to have written instructions available on my website as well. And I have the paisley duos on 5 different colors, and the candy beads I just have it in 3 different colors. They're really fun beads to work with, so I hope you guys like this tutorial. The list of materials that you're gonna need are candy beads, paisley duo beads, 11/0. These are Miyuki 15 ohms, and you can use a 3mm bicon if you prefer. In this case, I'm gonna try with the 2mm fire polish. That can lower the cost a little bit on your bracelet. And we also gonna use a 2-strand clasp. You're gonna need fire line and a needle size 12. Let's get started. You are going to pick up 3 11/0s, 2 paisleys. And the way you're going to pick up your paisley is always going to be the same way. The in part, it's going to be facing out. So you're going to pick up one facing in and one facing out. And this is the way you're always going to pick them up. Okay? You're going to pick up 3 more 11/0s, 2 more paisleys. Remember, one facing in and the other one facing out. This is what you're gonna have. You're gonna bring them in and you're gonna leave 6 inches still, so you can add your clasp at the end. And you are going to sew through all these beads one more time, so you can form a ring. Make sure you don't skip any. You are going to sew through 3 11s, 2 paisleys, and 3 11s. This is what you gotta have. You are going to pick up 1 11. Your thread is coming out of this 11. We're going to sew through the same 11. As you notice, this 11 sits on top of the previous one. We are going to sew back down in order to continue. You are going to pick up 1 11, sew through the next one, and we are going to sew back through the one that we just had. Pick up 1, sew through the next one, and sew back down through the one we just had. Sew back through the 3 previous ones. Pull tight. Pick up 1 11, 1 15, 1 candy, 1 15, and 1 11. This is what you gotta pick up. Make sure your candy, you have them from the top hole, and the bumpy part, it's facing out. A thread is coming out of this we're going to sew right across on the other 3. Pick up 111 and 115 all. Sew through the second hole of the candy. You gotta be holding your candy because tension is really important. Pick up 115 and 111 and sew through the first 3, the ones that we started, and we are going to reinforce this. Through the 3 on the base, down through the 3, pick up 1, sew back, pick up 1, sew through the second one, sew through the one we just add, pick up 1, sew through the next one, sew through the one we just add, sew down through the previous row, sew through the ones we just add, and you're gonna repeat the same steps one more time. You gotta have 4 rows of a square stitch. From now on, after this step, all the steps are gonna be repetitive. So you are going to pick up 2 paisleys, and remember, one you're gonna pick it up facing in and the other one facing out, like this. 3 seed beads and 2 paisleys. And like I say, double check that you're getting them the right way. Your thread is coming out of this seed bead. We are going to sew through the 3 seed beads. Sew through 2 paisleys and sew through 3 seed beads. From now on, you're gonna start repeating the same steps. You are going to continue repeating these steps until you get the length that you need for your bracelet. For my bracelet is a size 6 bracelet, so I added 11 of these components. I call them butterflies. So I added 11 butterflies. If you need a longer bracelet, you're gonna have to add more. So continue repeating these steps and I'll be right back to show you the next step. I have the length that I need for my bracelet. So the way we're gonna add the clasp, it's a really easy way to do it. Right here, you're already in position to add your clasp. As you can see, we have 2 rows of seed beads. On this side, when we started, there is only 1 row. So what you need to do right here, on the other side, you're ready. On this side, you had to make another row of a square stitch in order to add your clasp. I'm gonna show you how to add it on this side. So we're gonna pick up 1 11-0 and we are going to sew through the same seed bead. It's the same steps. And reinforce. Sew through the 3 that you just added. If you look at your ends, they look the same now. I add my clasp on a really easy way. Your thread is coming out of this side. We're just gonna sew through the clasp. We are going to pick up 5 11-0s and we are going to sew down through the next hole of the clasp and we are going to sew through the 3 seed beads. Really easy. Now you're gonna reinforce maybe 4 or 5 times and that's how you're gonna add your clasp. It's a really easy way to add your clasp and I really like the way it looks. If you prefer doing it in a different way, you can. So just reinforce. So continue reinforcing. Then go ahead and add the other side of your clasp. I'll be right back to show you the next step. Okay, so I add my clasp. Okay, the way you're gonna continue, your thread is coming out of this seed bead. You're just gonna sew through the next 3 seed beads. We are going to sew through the paisleys, and if you can't sew through 2 at a time, just sew through 1 and then through the other one. We are going to sew through the 3 seed beads. And this is just to make the turn. So we get in position to continue adding our beads. And this is the last step. So right now, you are going to sew through the second hole of the paisley and you are in position to start. We are going to pick up a 2mm and we are going to pick up 111 and we are going to sew through the next hole of the next paisley. And you are going to continue all the way around adding your beads, and that is the last step. One 11 and 2mm. If you decide that you want to add a 3mm bicon, that's up to you, but this is the way it should look. So you are going to continue adding these beads. I add all the beads on one side. Now I gotta make the turn. So we are going to sew through one paisley. If you can sew through two, you can do that. It's a little bit hard to do it. So there's nothing wrong with sewing through one and then the second one. Sew up and you are ready to continue. So add your beads, reinforce and cut your knots, and I'll be right back to show you my bracelet. I'm done with my bracelet. I think it turned out cute. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my tutorials, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.